comprehensive control method of network teaching data scheduling based on fuzzy mathematics. 戴美丽 and 安利 Abstract Aiming at the problem of dividing and scheduling network teaching resources in the network environment. A more complete fuzzy mathematics theory and an example are used to introduce a method of dividing and scheduling teaching resources in detail. The main methods used during this period are the introduction of data standardization method to eliminate the influence of dimensions, a method of comprehensively considering various indicators and then processing them separately. In order to avoid the barrel effect, for some articles only relying on the error of using fuzzy similarity matrix to divide teaching resources has been corrected. And the final division should use fuzzy equivalent matrix. Teaching data scheduling refers to make full use of the network teaching information resources in different time and space, using computer technology to automatically analyze, synthesize, distribute, and use the network teaching information obtained according to the time sequence under certain criteria, so as to obtain the consistent description and interpretation of the tested object, so as to complete the required decision-making and estimation tasks, and make the teaching system obtain its components more superior performance. The existing network teaching data scheduling methods include the least square method based on nonlinear optimization class and the method based on common filter. However, the measurement of U1 cannot be based on the measurement of various factors, such as common filter equation, which is based on the observation of various factors. However, the least square method based on linear optimization class has great difficulties in the implementation of the algorithm due to the uncertainty of the available measurement elements and the need for iterative solution, which cannot meet the requirements of real-time scheduling calculation. How to take a simple and effective method to schedule network teaching information is the key to improve the accuracy and efficiency of network data processing. Network teaching resources. In a broad sense, network teaching resources are all kinds of teaching resources that are connected to the Internet, and all kinds of educational software resources is stored on it. Users can get corresponding network teaching resources and resources according to their different needs and user rights service. Through the above analysis, it can be seen that the scope of online teaching resources is very large, and the specific performance of each resource is not the same. In order to achieve effective management and efficient use to meet the needs of different students and users, a very critical step is to division and scheduling of teaching resources. In view of the characteristics of the above teaching network resources, it can be found that applying the fuzzy clustering analysis method in fuzzy mathematics theory can solve the above problem well. Simulation calculation. Assuming that the initial position of the network teaching data is 0, 0, 0. The scheduling movement is performed in the y-o-z plane. Sampling is performed at a period of 50 miles, and the data of 5 seconds is continuously simulated, and the fuzzy closeness formula is used to calculate the value of any two network teaching data. The fuzzy closeness degree is formed to form a fuzzy closeness degree matrix. The maximum eigenvalue of the matrix and its corresponding positive eigenvector are calculated. And then the comprehensive fuzzy closeness degree is obtained at the weight, and the weighted function calculation of network teaching data is performed. Compare the actual scheduling results with the positioning results of the network teaching data scheduling method proposed in this paper. The graphs comparing the scheduling and the positioning results of the two methods in the x direction, y direction, and z direction are respectively given, as shown in the figure below. Figure 5. TX curve of dispatch positioning data. Figure 6. TY curve of dispatch positioning data. Figure 7. TZ curve of dispatching positioning data. It can be seen from the simulation results that by comparing the results of intersection scheduling and fashion positioning in the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis directions. The network teaching, data scheduling, and positioning results of the proposed method are very close to the actual results. It's shown that the proposed method can effectively eliminate the adverse effect of the measured value on the fashion result and improve the processing accuracy. It can be seen from the simulation results that by comparing the results of intersection scheduling and fashion positioning in the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis directions, the network teaching data scheduling and positioning results of the proposed method are very close to the actual results. It's shown that the proposed method can effectively eliminate the adverse effect of the measured value on the fashion results and improve the processing accuracy. Conclusion. According to the characteristics of network teaching resources, it is very suitable to use fuzzy clustering method in fuzzy mathematics to classify them. The early method of processing a single indicator and then comprehensively processing is more suitable for users who have special needs for grades. The method in this article is suitable for math users who have general needs for network teaching resources and are more concerned about comprehensively performance. Ending.